So before I put on my wig, I think it's best I do this video. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you the Broke Girl skincare guide. Yes, products that are less than 10,000 naira if you're somebody that doesn't want to spend so much in skincare. If you just want to glow, moisturize and brighten your skin, the products I'm going to mention here are very good for you and they are very affordable. Yes, so you don't need to worry no more about spending so much. I've got you covered, especially if you're on budget. Yeah, once again, my name is Nyechi Chiemela. I'm a skin enthusiast and a public health lover. So yes, if you're a varsity student, a university student, a college student, and you just don't want to break the bank, you don't want to spend so much, this video is for you. Let's dive right into today's video. Let's talk about skincare products that are under 10,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. Yes, the Broke Girl skincare products 101. Yes, that is what I call it. Round of applause, guys. Yeah, I'm going to share all you need to know, the nitty-gritty of every single thing. So make sure you subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Subscribe. It is very important. All right, grab your popcorn, get yourself a glass of juice, sit back, relax, and let's go on this journey. Your notepad and a pen. Number one, everybody should have known this by now, you need a liquid body wash or a bar soap. Yes. Number two, you need to get a body scrub, a very good body scrub. Number three, you need a body lotion, a body cream, or you need a body oil. And number five, you need to get yourself a body spray or a perfume, something that would take your breath away. Yes. Okay. Right, so let's say you're going to ShopRite, to Casabella stores, to Roban stores, to any place of your choice to buy something for your skin. So for a liquid body wash, we have the Dove Caring body wash with vanilla and shea butter. Retails for 3,850 naira. So for bar soaps, there are a lot of bar soaps in the market. Yes, many plain. You can get any bar soap of your choice. For somebody that wants to brighten, you can try their Santi Papaya soap, which is around 600 naira or 1,000 naira. You can also try the Dove soap, which is around 1,000 naira. There are many soaps, the Carotone soap, there are plenty. Just make your choice. Now, for the body scrub, the cheapest that I can remember, I'm telling you the things I've used, is the Yoko Spa Salt, the sachet form. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen for you to see. It retails for about 1,500 naira to 2,000 naira. Yeah. For the body lotion, you can try out. We have the Dove Pampering body lotion with shea butter and vanilla, kind of like similar to the liquid body wash I mentioned earlier. We have the Nivea Cocoa Butter Nourishing Body Lotion, ranging from 2,850 naira. There are many body oils in the market. Yes, I have talked about here on this channel different body oils. We have the almond body oil, we have the jojoba body oil. These are natural body oils that are not harsh, that are not toxic. I made a video earlier on. I'm going to leave the card to that video on top or down on the description box, so check out the video and watch that video to get more informed on the type of body oil to purchase. All right, the oils can be between 3,500 naira or 2,500 naira, or sometimes even 1,500 naira. So you know what you want, make your choice and make a smart choice. Now moving on to the body sprays, you can get any body spray of your choice. You have to make sure you're getting a body mist, body sprays. There are many body sprays in the market. You can get your choice. Yes, the Smart collection has a body spray. I recently made a video talking about body sprays and perfumes. I'm going to leave a card of that video on top or down on the description box, so check it out to make your choice on the type of sweet smell or body spray you would want to get. Otherwise, there are so many in the market. Just make your choice and choose what you want. You really need to get a body spray because you need to smell nice. Yeah, so you see, with little amount of money you can get a whole lot just for an affordable price. You can begin your skincare journey by achieving the 4 skincare steps, which are exfoliating, repairing, moisturizing and brightening your skin. Yes, you can achieve a whole lot of that with just a little amount of money. Okay, you don't need to break the bank. Just make sure you tailor your skincare products according to your skincare needs, right? Okay, so I'll see you on another video. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget that God loves you more than I do. Bye.